Hey you, so look at this tree. Do you see how spiny it is? It is protecting itself. But what I want to tell you is stop protecting yourself. Stop using spines. When you lose your spines, then you know what happened? You can start feeling something else. You can start feeling other people. You can start feeling connection. Somebody can actually start connecting to you without hurting themselves, because nobody wants to talk to you when you're spiny. Stop protecting yourself and nobody gonna attack you. You will see. But you have to drop it first, because when I'm looking at this tree, I don't want to touch it. You know? Think about it.